Hi everyone! Have you noticed that walking around Venice you can meet several curious bas-reliefs and unusual sculptures? They are everywhere, on the facades of churches, houses and palazzos, at the bottom or on top of columns. For example, in the district of Cannaregio, a quiet area of Venice away from the crowded places, there are quite singular such reliefs. In a campo close to a marvelous church, we can find some sculptures dressed in oriental costumes inserted into the walls of a house. They probably represent three merchants, the brothers Rioba, Sandi and Alfani, and one of their servants. The legend has it that the four of them were turned into stone by God's will because of their dishonesty. The most famous among them is Sir Rioba at the corner of the building. His story is really original. His main characteristic is a big metal nose that was placed on his face in substitution of the former stone one, which was destroyed. In Venice, quite a few people think that it's good luck to touch his nose. The three brothers used to live in Palazzo Mastelli, a beautiful Gothic house nearby, along the canal. On the facade of this palazzo, it is quite amazing to notice a bas-relief with a camel represented. Why is it there? The legend tells about a love story with no happy ending. Are you curious to know what the story is about? It is incredible that legends and sculptures can survive for so many centuries. We sometimes like to pretend that every day one particular person would observe these four sculptures with interest. We're talking about Jacopo Tintoretto, who lived in the red Gothic house just next door. Or maybe Jacopo was so used to seeing them that he would not pay any attention. Who knows? We would like to take you to this place and some other ones and let you admire all these details that they were never tired of. Stay tuned, we'll show you more. Bye!